is Natalie Williams. I'm a certified yoga teacher. In the month of March, we are going to focus on yoga for strength.
In this session, we are going to focus on arm strength. Find a nice tall stance. Take a deep breath in, swoop the arms up. Touch each 10 fingers together, then exhale down to the sides. 2 more times, up. And exhale down. And repeat, up. And exhale down. Then place your hands on your heart, close your eyes, and set an intention for this class. Deep breathing. We're focusing on strengthening in the arms, but also focus on another intention, mindfulness-wise. Then place your hands on your shoulders and swoop the arms up and over 3 times. Good. Inhaling up, exhaling forward, inhaling up, exhaling forward. Let's pause and go backwards. Inhale up and back, up and back. And last time, up and back. Then arms come up to the sky, shoulders back. Imagine that you're against a wall, cactusing the arms down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. And exhale, back down. Then inhale, arms come up, round the back, bend the knees, bring the feet a little bit closer together, arch in the back, elbows come in. Then open up the chest, do a nice back bend, open up, lean back. I'm gonna look from the side so you can get a better example. Exhale, rounding, bending the knees. Inhale, open. One more time, exhale, round, crunch, and inhale, open. Then swoop the arms up and around, 3 circles. Deep breath, up and around, good. 2 more times, up and forward, up and forward. Then backwards, inhale, lifting up and back, up and back. One last time, up and back. Place the feet a little bit further apart if they're not already. Reach to the sky. Grab your right wrist with your left and lean on over to the left side, holding it here. And switch your grip, right hand, left wrist, reach over. And come to the center. We're gonna do both sides one more time. Switch your grip and over. And lift, and switch, and over. Lifting up, cactus the arms, lean back, open the chest, open the body, then reach up to the sky, then clasp your hands behind your back, roll back the shoulders, open up your chest, and take 3 breaths here, in and out. 2 more. Last time. Then bend the knees, arms come up and over in the direction of the head. Release the arms. Try to bend your knees a little bit more so you can really release and have leverage for the arms to fall forward more. Then unleash the hands, arms come up to the sky. Find your chair pose. Send your weight to the right leg. Left leg steps back. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, squeeze your scapula together, opening the chest, but really squeezing right here for a good posture, strength form. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lean back and squeeze. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze and hold. Then arms come up, parallel. Lean forward, step forward to chair. Swoop the arms down and around, deep breath up. Exhale, find your forward fold. Feel free to crisscross your arms and dangle. Bend your knees as much as you'd like. Relax the head and jaw. Then swoop the arms back or come up however you like. Bring your hands to your heart, find that chair. Arms come up to the sky now. Shift the weight to the left leg, right leg goes back. Inhale, lift, exhale, cactus and lean back. Squeeze your scapula together, really pull the elbows back. 2 more times, inhale, lift. Exhale, back. Inhale, lift. And exhale, back. Straighten the arms, lean forward, step forward to chair. Hold those arms up, hold them, hold them, hold them. Scoot them down and around and up. Exhale back to your forward fold. Bend one knee, then the other. Then bend both knees and round on up. Incorporating some balance in our arm video. We're gonna go ahead and you can stay where you are, I'm just facing you. Mirroring you, your left leg is down, your right leg is out. Go ahead and bring that right leg up wherever you'd like. Arms come up and hold in here. Hold, hold, hold. Keep the arms up as you're doing so. Lift up with the shoulders and then relax. 2 more times. Up, and then relax. 1 more time. Up, and then relax. Hold your balance. And then let's switch, gently coming down, hands pressed together. Switch if you can. If you need to bring up that left leg, bring it up. And up with the arms. Shrug your shoulders up, and then relax. 2 more. Up, relax. Once more. Up, and relax. Placing that left leg down, swoop the arms up, and swan dive, forward fold, down you go. Bend your knees, and we're gonna walk it back to a downward facing dog. Then from here, bend your knees as much as you need to. We're gonna bring in the hands, walking, pressing weight into the hands to the forward fold. Gently walking it back down to your downward facing dog, hold. Then walking it back in to a forward fold. Then back out. All the way this time into a plank, holding this plank strong. Wiggle those feet back if you need. Deep breath in and out. From here, if you can, walk the feet out just a little bit more to help your balance. You're gonna press your weight into the right hand, slight bend in the elbow, make sure your weight is into the fingertips, left arm up, deep breath in and out. Gently lower that left arm. This time the right arm comes up, deep breath in and out. Gently lower it down and up. Good, and back down. Then back up and back down. Let's give our wrist a little bit of a break. Gently bring the knees down. Placing your elbows together to stretch out the shoulders. Hands come in prayer. Forehead goes down. Take a few breaths on your own. And come on up. From here, we're gonna come up into a plank, or you can bring your knees down. We're gonna do some chaturangas. So shoulders back, navel in and up. Elbows come into your sides, down you go. And then if you can push up, or however you can get back up to that plank, get back up to the plank. And back down. You can do it, hover, 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 and up. Very important to keep your elbows in to prevent wrist injuries, and make sure your shoulders don't go down too far, more than your elbows. Down and hold, and up. Then we're gonna go into our downward facing dog. Then find your plank, chaturanga down. Come into baby or upward, whatever you prefer, whatever modification you like. Then find your downward facing dog. Hold your plank, you can do it. Chaturanga down. Baby or upward facing dog. We only have one more of this sequence right here. Go ahead and squeeze your core, downward facing dog. Plank. Chaturanga. Baby or upward. And find your child's pose, good job. Stretch the arms in front of you. Then walk your hands on over to the right stride, stretching it out. Then over to the left side, stretching it out. Then let's come back up for more. Yes, more. You can do it. Deep breath in and out. Close your eyes. Find your intention that you set for this practice. And then let's proceed. So again, modifications are welcome. You can come onto your elbows for this, or you can stay up. We're gonna find our right plank. So right arm is down. Your right knee can be down, that's fine too. If you can, come on up all the way. You can be on your elbow. Take 3 big breaths here, in and out. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Find your middle plank and hold 3 breaths in and out. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's transition to the left side. Remember those modifications. You can come up onto your elbows, onto your left elbow, or you can drop this left knee. Right arm comes up, take your time and breathe. 3 breaths in and out. 1. It's okay if you're shaking, in and out. 2, 3. Place your hands back to the middle plank, find your child's pose. Maybe roll out your wrist a little bit and take a few breaths on your own here, whatever variation you'd like. Your arms can be behind you, stacked in front of you. Then walk the hands out in front of you. If you have any shoulder issues, really maybe exempt this one. Hang out into a downward facing dog, that's fine. For everyone else, come into your downward facing dog, bend your knees. Make sure you have a slight bend in the knees, a slight bend in your elbows, definitely a bend in the knees. And we're gonna sit back into our hips, and it's gently a gentle pop up and down, slow pop down. And up and down. One more, up and down. Awesome. Find that tabletop. Right arm comes up to the sky, swoop up. Exhale, thread the needle, placing it through that left arm and that left leg, and hang out here for a moment. Let's stretch out that shoulder. Your left arm can be down or it can be wrapped around. It's whatever you prefer. And close your eyes and just enjoy the stretch. Your left arm can also be behind your back if you'd like. When you're ready, gently come on up and switch. Left arm comes up to the sky, really big, stretch that chest out and swoop through, reaching under the bed like you're reaching underneath it for a nice shoulder stretch. Right arm can come back and around, or you can keep it where it is. Then gently push up. We're gonna go ahead and find our restorative in child's pose. So whatever variation you'd like, go ahead and hang out there. Take a few breaths to yourself. Notice your arms, how they're a little bit more warm, maybe a little fatigued. You can hang out here as long as you'd like, or you can come sit up tall. Sweep the arms up to the sky if you're tall. Place your hands together. Clasp the fingers and around the back, separating the shoulder blades. Inhale, lift tall, lean back. Place your hands together in prayer, close your eyes. Take a deep final inhale and exhale. And release. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you for participating. Make sure you always consult with your physician prior to engaging in any new exercise routine.